Dreaming of small town life while staying close to all the amenities given by City of London. Only 10 minutes to London, Highway 401, Ingersoll. Our new listing, 50 Thames Springs Crescent in town of Thamesford. Almost 2,800 square feet of living space built in 2021 on a premium lot of 58 by 115. Want to check this beauty out? Let's go inside. Welcoming open to our foyer leads you to a separate living room, family room, second floor, double door entry, double car garage. Not only this one, this beauty has a separate living room, separate dining room, accompanied by a beautiful chef's kitchen with black Samsung appliances, quartz countertop, lots of storage along with the pantry. Huge family room for more privacy and to enjoy the togetherness. Here we are on the second floor with an amazing floor plan. Master with 5-piece ensuite, second master with 4-piece ensuite and another very good size bedrooms with a 3-piece main bath. Laundry on the main floor for your convenience and a side entrance to the backyard in the mudroom as well. Basement is unfinished with 4 egress windows and waiting for your smart ideas. Additionally, there is no carpet, hardwood in the entire house. Modern lights, spotlights on the main floor, 200 amp electrical panel, water softener, water filter in the entire house, fully fenced backyard. If you are looking for a house similar to our this property, give us a shout today to discuss more or book a showing at 2262705000 or 2262706000. Team PANGOO from Gold Empire Realty.